everyone, I'm Fiona. In today's video, we will talk about the sealing glue of the EPS mold. EPS mold regularly use 6mm or 8mm silicone sealing bar. Our EPS mold currently use dovetail glue sealing. Compared to the regular type glue sealing, the dovetail glue design can press the silicone sealing bar more tightly to avoid the sealing bar from being used under high temperature and high pressure for a long time, which causes the sealing bar to fall off easily. This is pretty much everything for today's video. If you like it, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel. We will know that we are doing the right thing. See you next video.